Welcome to the third video in the series on how to upgrade to the newest version of Cencon. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up the database, install hardware drivers, install the Cencon software, and modify the ODBC connection. From the Cencon installation menu, click the Install button. Once you click on the Set Up Cencon Database button, the Cencon Database Utility program opens. For optimal performance, the Cencon Database Setup Utility program should be run on the server where the SQL database is installed. Click the Select ODBC Data Source, and then select the Machine Data Source tab. Select your database and click OK. Click OK again, and then Next. Enter the name of the database you wish to upgrade. Click Next, and click OK. Change the schema name if desired. Click Next. Select Create Cencon Database and then click Next. These next steps will import old Cencon data into the new SQL database. Select the checkbox next to Import version 1.5.x Cencon files. Click on the Browse button and navigate to the location of the folder containing the Cencon data. Click OK. Now, click on the Browse button for the backup data and navigate to the same directory, but this time select the backup folder. Click OK. Uncheck any files you are not importing and click Next. After importing old Cencon data, you have the option to import CenBank data. To do this, click on the radio button next to Import files from a single CenBank installation from a selected directory, and click on the Browse button. Navigate to the CenBank folder and click OK. Click Next 2 times. Expand the menu and select a region name. Now, click Next several times. On the Operation Summary screen, make sure all the information is correct and click Next. The file importing process may take a while depending on the number of records being imported. At the top, save an import log for your records and click Save. And finally, click the Close button. New hardware drivers have been developed for Cencon. Let's install those now. From the Cencon installation menu, click the Windows drivers you wish to install. Click Next and Close. That was simple. With the new drivers installed, you can connect the Cencon keybox to the USB 2.0 connection if it's not installed already. Finally, we get to install Cencon. This step is like installing any other software and only takes a few seconds. Back on the Cencon installation menu, select the Cencon button. Click Next and select the I agree radio button. Click Next. Select the destination folder where the previous version of Cencon was installed. Click Next twice and close the install menu. At this point, we can also close the Cencon installation screen. Let's go back and modify the settings in the ODBC connection we made in the previous video. From the Start button, open the Control Panel and select the Administrative Tools icon. Double-click on Data Sources and select the System DSN tab. Select the new ODBC and click the Configure button. Click Next twice. Check the box next to Change the Default Database and select the database in the drop-down menu. Click Next and Finish. Now we need to click on the Test Data Source button. Everything works, so click OK. Click OK a couple more times and close the control panel.
We accomplished a lot in this video. We updated the database, installed the hardware drivers, installed the Cencon software, and modified the ODBC connection. In the fourth and final video, we'll open Cencon to set the ODBC connection, set up the keybox, log on to Cencon, validate the imported data, and finally uninstall the previous version of Cencon.